This post is from Dylan DeNio Dylan 6423. I read it, and I am thankful to you for sharing your wonderful thoughts of such deep concepts. You really have an amazing insight. I thought to share it with the people to whom it benefits. You can contact me via email if you have any concerns. Let's start this one. I've noticed that a lot of people will get stuck and frustrated when trying to manifest what they want. I think a big part of it is that we place too much importance on the thing itself, rather than the state of consciousness of having that thing. Take a look back at your life. Whenever you have received something that you really wanted, where did the enjoyment of it come from? It didn't come from the fancy car or the money. The enjoyment came from within you. You wanted the car, but really, it was a symbol for a feeling, a state of mind. Sure, it's nice to have fancy things, but again, the thing itself has no substance, no real value outside of the value that you give it. And when you come to think of it, when you think the thing itself makes you happy, that feeling never really stays around. You get what you want, think that that thing is making you happy, and then the joy fades away and you want something else, something bigger and better. So you see, you don't really want the thing itself. You want a state of mind, a feeling. But here's the awesome part. You can give yourself any feeling you want at any time. You don't have to wait around to feel like you have $1 million house. You can conjure that feeling up from nothing. You don't need to wait. You just need to ask, how would it feel if it were true right now? And imagine it into existence. I have found that this is truly the core of Neville's teachings. The inner state of mind is far more valuable than any physical possession. When you want a state of mind more than the thing itself, then you are doing it right. If you have the feeling of having that thing, then you might as well say you have it. Especially when you know the principles that Neville speaks about. Don't chase the thing itself. Chase the state of consciousness that implies that you already have it. Pay no attention to the physical symbol of your feeling. Just generate the feeling and know that you have it. If you feel like you have it, don't you already have it? Righteousness is not the thing itself. It is the consciousness, the feeling of already being the person you want to be, of already having the thing you desire. So take away the importance of the physical manifestation and value your consciousness above all else. Signs will follow. They will never precede. Follow the feeling, and that is how it is done. So, subscribe if you like this video. Happy manifesting.